Love to know the future plans for Etihad's NFT. How are you planning on adding continued value and utilities for holders? So what does the future hold, for the NFT project, Simon?
That's a great question, Mark. A utility is as good as it is, depending on your needs. But we all have different needs and we all require different things based on where we live, based on who we are, what we like. And although loyalty sounds like a great benefit, right? And getting silver status could be an even higher status, right? We believe that the next step and the evolution of our project is actually to drive passive income to NFT holders. So you're an NFT holder, you participate in the revenue being driven through the product that we are generating, and we will launch next year. So hopefully that makes sense.
No, I think that makes sort of where we're sense. Taking the project. I always like to really be careful about any representations that we make. And I'm glad you said that we're trying to figure out how to increase utility. So first of all, I want to say that, anyone that holds collectible NFTs, great, they're collectible. You never know what's going to happen with them. If you hold utility NFTs, you should look carefully at the utility and say, what utilities does this have? Because it's just like evaluating a business. Is it what value does the business have, and should I invest in the business? And when you look at an NFT, you say, what is the utility and what value does it provide? But I want to recommend to everybody is that we are not here providing financial advice. We're only providing interesting information and education. And you need to do your own research and really understand what you're doing and why you would buy something and why you would invest in it. And we're not making any recommendations. We're just trying to give you knowledge and education so that you can do a good job of understanding the decisions that you make.